Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. KJ. I'll be your chemistry teacher this year. My name is Knetter-Johnson, but it's often mispronounced and it's way too long to be typing. So I just go by Mrs. KJ. So you're logged into the class, you're listening to the opening video, which I promise will be short, and I just want to go over some things that you need to know. So the first thing is when you log in, you might see some icons or pictures up here. I don't. Either way, we're not going to use those. We're going to go to Content, and you're going to go to the first thing is going to be Start Here. So you click on the Start Here and there's an announcement, and there is a file that you are going to click on. This file will come up as a Google Doc. You can either go under File, Download As. You can download it as Microsoft Word. You can do it as a PDF and print it if you prefer. Or if you have your Gmail account active already, you can make a copy and save it. This worksheet you're going to be filling out while you read the syllabus, while you look at the Please Print for Success in Applied Chem, and while you look over the course announcements. All right, so to find those things, you can go back to Content, and then you will see Course Materials. So here's the Please Print for Success in Chem, and here is the syllabus, and contact information, and academic integrity. So these are what you're going to look at to fill in that other document. When you're done filling out that other document and you're like, yep, you've read everything over, you're like, I got this, you're going to take your first quiz. Now, this is the only quiz I let you retake because I want to make sure you have everything set straight for chemistry class. Now, if you're saying to yourself, oh, I'll just take it and retake it. Well, there's a lot of information that you're going to need in order to do well. So that's why it's so important that you go through the course materials and look through these things. The syllabus, just so you know, everything that you need is at the start of it. And then there's like an official syllabus that MDE, the Minnesota Department of Education, makes us do. And then some things are repeated, and then there's some other stuff that you might not even care about. So after there, if you don't want to read anymore, that's fine. All right, so again, I'm going back under Content. So to recap, you're doing the Start Here. You're going to download or print this, fill it out. You're going to fill it out by looking at course materials, by looking at the syllabus and the Please Print Here. And you have to read the announcements. So you can go back to the class home and you can read through all the announcements. There's a lot to start out with, I know. After today, there's usually only one a day. Sometimes it's only once a week. So make sure you're reading the announcements as they come up. Another big thing I want to point out is that this class is different than any other class that you have taken, whether you've been in brick and mortar or whether you've been with K-12 or MNVA. The reason is because I designed this class. When the state of Minnesota said, hey, everybody is required to use a complete year of chemistry or physics, and chemistry is easier than physics, I said, well, not everybody needs college level chemistry. So that's why this class is applied. We actually offer core and honors chemistry. So if you ever feel like this class is way too easy, please talk to me and we'll get you into the correct section, the correct level of chemistry. Applied chemistry, usually I tell people, is if you really wouldn't take chemistry if it wasn't required, or if you struggle with Algebra 1, or you struggle with science class. All right, so this is the big way that it's different. So when you get into a lesson, okay, you're going to take notes, but it's going to be video. Now, if you want to use the PowerPoint to help follow along, that's completely optional, but you have to watch the video and take notes. Then there is a worksheet. You need to do the worksheet. But here's the thing, I cannot grade over 100 worksheets every day. It's not going to happen. You have the answer key. The reason you have the answer key is because chemistry has a lot of math. Sorry to let you know that in case you didn't already, but you need practice. So check your answers. If you got every question right, perfect, take the quiz. If not, which will be almost all of you almost all the time, If you understand the question and the answer, check the worksheet out about an hour later. Make sure that you really understood it and you really remember it, then take the quiz. If there's any on that worksheet you're like, wow, I cannot figure this out or I don't get this, you have to contact me. I can only help you if you ask, and I want to help you. Because trust me, helping you is way more exciting to me than all the other behind the scenes stuff I got to do. Then you will have your quiz. You are only allowed to use calculator, pen, paper, and your cheat sheets, which are listed here. You are not allowed to look anything up. You cannot ask anyone else for help. Once you open the quiz, you must finish it. So you can't start the quiz and then finish it later. So you'll have your quiz. The other important tab to look at is your plan. The plan is going to tell you what you are expected to do every day, and then when you scroll down, it will show you when things are due, okay, and they'll be down here. So the plan is always a very important thing to check out. You can also change the view so it's just one day or the whole month if you want everything. But looking at the plan is going to help make sure you know what to do every single day. And again, if you have questions, please ask. The other thing I want to make sure that you know is I check your progress reports. There is an announcement about that coming up. What that means is that I check that you're actually watching the videos, that you're doing the worksheets, that you're spending time in the class. Now, at first, you might not spend an hour each day in chemistry when we first start out, but it's definitely going to get to the point where you're going to be spending an hour to an hour and a half every single day in chemistry in order to do well. So that's part of why I check. So get in the habit now, do everything the way it needs to be done. And that's in the syllabus too. That's explained there. All right, this video is plenty long to start you out. If you have any questions, again, do not hesitate to contact me. I look forward to working with you. Talk to you soon. Bye.